Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I represent team eConceptual here. When we talk about one of the most beautiful divisions of eConceptual, conceptual anesthesia is extremely close to my heart. Well-built content, brilliantly verified, excellent lectures, demonstration, practical advisors, practical videos, and well supported by fantastic notes. But any organization will always go a notch higher when it makes a difference in the life of the individuals who harness very well the training modules, and these are the residents. What adds to the spice is the books of conceptual anesthesia. Dr. Janvi Bajaj has made sure that she actually rears conceptual anesthesia like her own kid. And here she comes out with 4 books, 3 concepts. Means number 1, a book on Airway, such a prestigious topic which, if you understand well, not only gets you ahead of your peers in anesthesia, in the critical care, but will end up saving millions of lives across the globe. I'm very sure the way this book has been written, it is not only the key points on your fingertips, but you should make sure that this book is right on your table and is a reference guide. This will make your concepts clear with respect to the anatomy, with respect to the procedures, with respect to the instrumentation. Let's have a glimpse of some pages of this book. Now, when I open this book, it's very beautifully shows you diagrams that will make you very clear about the airway anatomy. That's very essential because basics, pre-basics, and then only the clinical science would be understood to you. As we go further, in this book, it will explain you, that differences of normal and difficult airways. It will also tell you about how the procedures are to be conducted, which is extremely important for a clinician, to understand and see. So the pictures are very beautifully drawn, and there are instruments. They will understand their different uses, and that is how it will come. And this is something which is not only for your residency or your first senior residency, but this will keep on being with you when you become a good anesthetist and a specialist. It talks about specific about the latest updates and the different instrumentations. So this is the book number 1 that's adding to you right away. The second book is about a topic which is for specialized people, cardiac anesthesia. This is something where the behind the curtain doctor has an equal role to play in the curtain doctor. So cardiac anesthesia is extremely important. Now this is something which is a complex thing where multiple things play role together. There will be physiology, there will be internal medicine, there will be anesthesia, there will be aspects of surgery. So a lot of things need to be understood. And similarly here in this book, the contribution of Dr. Janvi Bajaj is of immense. She has made sure that you are understanding all the aspects, like this book on pharmacology will explain you whatever is required. This book on the basics of conceptual anesthesia, functional cardiology is something that is very important, explaining about physiology. Now, there are different graphs, there are different techniques, different intraoperative images, which will be very useful for you. And what they have made is a good teacher is somebody who doesn't overburden you. So the content has been very well filtered, has good concepts, but also is verified. So it is something which is very beautiful for you. And I'm very sure once you understand this book with a very complex topic like cardiac anesthesia, is going to get things easier for you. So this is the second book which is coming up. The third book, which is I think more so for your exams, when you're attempting your exams, you would know what not to write, what to write. But the key points, the bust points, the important points which the examiner checks are sometimes missed out. The Pareto principle says that if you know 20% of the content which is required and essential, you can score 80% marks. So these 2 books, divided into Golden Topics in Anesthesia Volume 1 and Volume 2, are the key topics which you need to revise when you attempt any paper like the DNB or the MD or the Diploma Anesthesia. So these are 2 important things which Dr. Janvi Bajaj has compiled beautifully. So these are very important book topics like pulse oximetry. So you will have all the key points and everything. This is a conglomerate of different questions, different topics, different viva things which are together, which are very important. So which I feel now with the things that Dr. Janvi has done here, getting 2 books to you, Volume 1 and Volume 2 of Golden Topics, Conceptual anesthesia books are one of the best in the country for every resident of anesthesia. So the contributors, along with all the teachers of Conceptual Anesthesia. The master of the orchestra, as I may say, Dr. Janvi Bajaj. But there are different people who have contributed in different books. Like in Golden Topics, we have Dr. Vinisha, right? And we have Dr. Gargi, who have really worked very hard. So apart from Dr. Janvi Bajaj, we have got Dr. Vinisha and Dr. Dia, who have really worked hard for the book on golden topics in anesthesia. We have Dr. Gargi, who has really worked very hard for the book on cardiac anesthesia. And we have got Dr. Sohini Ghosh, who has worked really very hard on the book on anesthesia airway. Right? Happy learning. Thank you very much.